Hold on, Bob. Alright, I'm going to show you. I'm all the way in Issaquah. I'm going to show you the same flight path. Let's see if... Now watch. This guy's flying south. He's coming from the north. He's hiding in this path somewhere. It's not him. Shouldn't be him. He's already at 17, huh? So there's somebody flying through this path, southbound, right now, directly across from me. Oh, right here. 37 WestJet. Vancouver to LAX. See? They make, I mean, like, where are you coming from, dude? Like, come on, man. He doesn't even need to come here. Anyway, I'll show you where he is. He's right there, underneath the fat chemtrail that grew. Hold on. Come here, Tess. He's about to disappear. But yeah. All of this shit, hold on, let me back it out. All of this shit is started from a chemtrail. All the white feathery shit you see. If a cloud doesn't have a silver lining, like an edge to it, come here, Bubba, then it's probably not a cloud. It's especially if it's at the wrong altitude. Different pressures affect the precipitation and ice differently. The lower it gets, the more pressure should be containing it. But you have these high pressure systems that can make the cloud cover look like basically like sheets of saltwater ice.